In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage comments on WordPress.com. Managing your comments can be a powerful way to engage with your audience, promote interaction, and build community around your content. So let's dive in and take a step-by-step look at how to do this efficiently using WordPress.com. First things first, we need to head over to the WordPress.com login page. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and conducting a quick search for WordPress.com login. Once you're at the login page, enter your credentials to access your account. Having access to your admin dashboard is crucial as it gives you the control to manage various aspects of your site, including comments. Once logged in, click on WordPress.com to access your website's dashboard, where you can see all the tools available for managing your site. This area is known as your HQ for making necessary changes and adjustments to your WordPress site. Now that you're on your WordPress dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the admin page. This might require accessing the localhost admin interface depending on how your site is set up. Here, you will find a comprehensive menu with different options that allow you to customize your site. Next, locate and click on the Settings menu item. This will lead you to a page where you can adjust a wide range of settings for your website. Among these settings, you will find options related to comments and discussions, which are critical to today's task. Once the Settings menu is open, look for the Discussion tab and click on it. The Discussion Settings page is where you can control all aspects related to comments, everything from who can comment to how comments are displayed on your site and how they are moderated. On the Discussion page, ensure that the option to allow people to submit comments is checked. This is your go-to setting when you want to enable or disable comments altogether on your website. Review the other options available, such as asking for a name and email address from commenters, or setting up filters to approve comments before they are posted. Each of these choices can help you tailor your comment management to suit your specific needs and preferences. Once you're satisfied with your settings, be sure to click on the Save button at the bottom of the page to apply all the changes. Saving is an important step, as it guarantees that all your adjustments are implemented and your site behaves in the way you've configured. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to manage comments on WordPress.com, from setting permissions to saving the configuration. Comment management is a vital part of maintaining a responsive, interactive site, and it's wonderful to have you taking charge of this aspect. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has made the process easier for you.